one of the things I found is that balance as an entrepreneur is probably the most important. I won't even use the word balance. I'm going to say harmony rather than balance, because balance is stasis. Balance doesn't really go anywhere. It keeps things at 50-50. But harmony is kind of a flowy thing where sometimes you work 16 or 18 hours a day, but then you compensate by giving yourself a break and taking a day off. I was not that person. The reason I became ill in 2000 is that I was working 16 hours a day every single day. I had no balance. I had no harmony in my life. I had no play in my life. I had no fun in my life. I had work in my life and sleep. And that was essentially my life. And that is so unhealthy. And a lot of entrepreneurs get caught in that trap where they're like, I've got to make that call. I've got to write this plan. I've got to call that person. And you can't do it all in one day. You can't do it all the time. You can't be on all the time. You got to give yourself a break. It'll get done. And surrounding yourself by people who can support you administratively, or figuring out the things you love to do and doing those and letting other people handle the rest by delegating or just releasing some of the things that aren't necessary is important. But you've got to be able to find that harmony and that flow, because you will become ill. I know so many, especially the women entrepreneurs, who fight health issues as a result of not having any kind of harmony in their life.
I like the way you use the word harmony instead of balance, because, things can be out of balance every once in a while, but, it's kind of like my bathroom scale goes up, it goes down,
Yeah, your body's not out of balance. It's just in harmony.
There you go.